What is going on, BHV? Today we are out here at the Greatest Adventures Mini Golf in Branson, Missouri. We're checking out their medieval course today. There's two courses here, a medieval and a jungle side. Today, we're checking out the medieval side. There's a dragon behind us, I'm just saying. But place your bets and comment down below. I think I'm gonna win. I think Alicia's gonna win. If you're new around here, hit the subscribe button and click that bell, turn on notifications. We got videos coming out every day all summer long for you guys. That being said, let's hope we don't get eaten by this dragon. Let's get started. Bring it around. I will take that lucky bounce. On the edge. Will it make it? Just enough. Oh. All right. Hole number 2. That's not too bad. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought I was gonna hit it. Alicia, I'm coming. I thought I was gonna roll around. Oh, we're going lefty. Oh. Ooh, next we gotta hit it through the dragon. Is the hole just like straight? So you can hit it through here and it looks like that goes up a ramp. Is the hole straight? No, it's not even up straight. Okay, so you can hit it off this rock possibly and maybe get lucky and get it in the hole? Huh. Well, we'll see if mine can do it. I probably hit that way too hard. Yeah, maybe hit it a little bit lighter than that. That's how Alicia's does. We together. Oh no. I just wanted to come say hi. Nice shot. All right. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. The hole's on a little bit of a hill and then drops off.
Of course.
Was not sure how to do that at all. Nope. Wow, that works. Nice. That didn't work. Please, please, please stop. I'll take it. 4 for me. Oh, this looks interesting. So the hole's down there, but you can get it up in here. And that hole is on a little bit of a hill. And I'm guessing that might give you a better shot. Well, I get to go first. You know what, I'm gonna give it a shot. We'll see what happens. No. Okay. Probably not the best idea going for that. Okay. Not bad. What was that? Well, let's go and get it down. See where it comes out. Ah, man. Nice. And a 4 for me. Catch a lightning bug. Oh, bye lightning bug. All right, hole number 6. We can go left, you can go right. Which way are you gonna go, girl? Oh, going right, okay. No way. Nice shot. Should have gone right, huh? Well, that's unfortunate. All right. 4. All right, hole number 7, what we got? All right, I'm guessing the hole is somewhere down here on this left side. Hit it all the way around. Oh, yep. There's a hole down there. Will it make it? Will it make it down the hill? Almost. Oh. Going down. No way. Nice shot. Doesn't mean to that curve. It looked like it curved a little bit, just saying. Maybe it's just me. 4 again. Maybe? That looks like it's a lot more downhill than it is. Well, apparently that side's downhill. As long as it stays. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Uh-oh. Three. So close. I had no idea what to do for that. Oh. Oh. All right. Nice. Well, let's see how it goes. I have no idea. I have no idea. 3. All right. Our hole 11. Oh, this will be fun. A tiny little volcano down there at the end, and then a triple hump. This will be interesting. Let's see if I can do this. I'm not sure how hard to hit it. Wow, not even close. Oh, I didn't realize that sloped off like that either. And we're both down there. Maybe? Wow, okay. Nice. Just whacked it. Really wasn't sure what to do for this one. Nice. Three. Just hop straight up. Two. Oh. There it is. Up. Straight up off the rock. Nice. Wow. 3. Will it make it? No. I'm in the grass. Very nice. Please, so close. 3. Nice. Oh, we got for hole 16. Ooh. Okay, so the hole's back over there. You really want to make sure you hit that rock, otherwise it's going down at, that's actually a pretty steep hill back there too.
Of course it did.
That might stay though. That works. Please, no. I took a turn. Alicia, how's the air down there by the hole? Is it nicer? Because it's really lonely back here.
And
Oh. 4. 4 for both of us. Please don't go too hard. Maybe it'll bounce. Okay, I thought that was a hill behind the hole. I thought that went down a hill. At least it didn't. Not bad for either one of us. Okay. Oh. All right, time for the last hole. Not too bad. Just gotta bring it around the curve. Oh, I missed the rock. Okay. Nice shot. And a 3 for me. That wasn't too bad.
yes,
Pretty good. Ready for the final scores?
sure.
You got 53. I got 54. That was a
See
1
how-
point game. That was a high scoring game. Very high scoring game. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video though. If you did, give it a like. I'd really appreciate it. If you're new around here, again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell to turn on notifications because we're on a road trip right now, uploading videos every day all summer long, taking out cool mini golf courses and fun stuff to do really all over the country. So with that being said, have a great day, great night, whatever time you're watching this, and we'll see you all tomorrow for the next video. Later.